Hey guys, what's up? It's Sahil back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to export slash extract all your iMessages on Windows or Mac in less than 150 lines of Python code. So there's a super file library called iPhone Backup Decrypt right here that essentially just allows you to export all these different things like address book, text messages, calendars, notes, WhatsApp, Strava even. Yeah, right here, and then your photos and videos. So yeah, super cool. It'll be linked. You guys can play around with it, as will the code. But yeah, I'm just gonna explain the code. You guys can skip a little bit ahead if you want to just see the results of running it. But yeah, so just gonna enter. There's some passphrase required for your backup, and yeah. So the way this works is basically you have to back up your iPhone, and to just use iTunes or whatever to do that. And yeah, once you've backed stuff up, it's gonna create two SQLite databases. You'll see them here after I run the code. Um, oh, and this is a cool function. So basically, Apple stores timestamps a little differently because they're Apple. They gotta do things they got to do things in their own way. So yeah, they got the timestamp. They're essentially converting it to nanosecond, which is very interesting. And this is their reference time, I guess. I guess they wanted to get past all that Y2K stuff. I don't know. Um, but yeah, we're gonna connect to both databases and just run some SQL queries. Oh wait, yeah, just some SQL queries and yeah, so we're just mapping everything. So basically, Apple, the way they store messages, they don't store the context as well. They store some sort of identification, and then you have to map that to something else, and then you map that something else to contacts. Um, but yeah, this is the sort of data structure. Each message is going to contain these five things, and yeah, you're just going to get two JSON. So let's just run this thing actually. And make sure you guys install these two libraries. This library, apparently it helps speed up the decryption. I don't know how it works, but I guess it just works. Python main.py. So it's going to take a little bit of time because it's like a lot of data being decrypted, but oh wait, I got to put my hash in. My bad. Okay, let's just do this again. Put in the passphrase. It'll take some time. Um, but yeah, theoretically, if you get all this data, you should be able to build open source Apple Intelligence. Cause like you got WhatsApp, camera roll, iMessages. Like that's a lot of data. So Apple's sitting on a gold mine in terms of data, and it's kind of crazy that you can just do this and sort of decrypt your backup. Um, but yeah, so we see everything here, and yeah, backup decrypted successfully. Everything is saved. I'm not gonna show my messages or contacts on camera, but you can walk through the data structure. And if you want to leave the video right now because you don't want to hear nerdy data structure stuff, you can't. Um, but yeah, so let's just open this one. There's this browser called DB Browser, super great for viewing databases like this. I'll link it as well. But yeah, so this is the chat one. This is essentially for group chats. And yeah, they got all this. I forget which one is the exact one for group chats, but I was trying to I was gonna add this data for each message, like whether it's a group chat or not, and then if it's a group chat, then what's the name of that chat? That'd be pretty cool. There's definitely the identifier. Maybe it's this one. I don't know. Um, last read message times is black hold. Okay, wait, that's kind of crazy actually. Um, yeah, that's pretty wild. Deleted messages, and this is an individual message, so this is all the different stuff they have for just one message. So for example, is emo auto reply system message. I mean, I don't know if this relates system message relates to Apple Intelligence. I'm assuming it doesn't because I have iOS 16, I think. So I don't know if they were cooking on it way back then, but is audio message is played, is corrupt. I think I saw that. Yeah, is corrupt. Just, yeah, so pretty cool. Um, and then let's look at contacts. Uh, yeah, AB person. Yeah, just a lot of cool data. Department, prefix, suffix, memoji metadata. That's kind of cool. I don't think I've ever made one of those, but kind of cool you can have all that metadata. Pronunciation. Whoa, that's pretty crazy. URI image. Yeah, there's just so much cool stuff and this is like it feels so cool to step into Apple's walled garden and just look at all this data and just see how they sort of structure things cuz it's like feels like you're doing something borderline illegal even though it's sort of your data. Um but yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. You can also do this on Mac. Just the path is a little different. I don't know if this is the exact one, but yeah, you can definitely test it out on Mac. And yeah, just let me know if you guys have any questions. And yeah, I'll probably make more videos about all this Apple data in general because it's just so interesting to look at. And so um, there's definitely cool things that to build off of it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.